gonna clean my room, darling, till I got high.
Yes, I was.
I was gonna find that room and sweep these blues away, but then I got high. Now the floor's still dirty, and Lord, I know why. 'Cause I got high. 'Cause I got high.
'Cause I got high. 'Cause I got high.
I was gonna go to church Sunday morning before I got high. Come on now, testify. I could have knelt down and prayed my troubles gone, but then I got high. Ooh-wee. Now the preacher's talking about me, and I know why. 'Cause I got high. 'Cause I got high.
'Cause I got high. 'Cause I got high.
I was gonna pay my rent before the man come knocking, but then I got high. I was gonna keep the lights on and the roof over my head, but I got high.
Shabba.
Now I'm sleeping on the couch down at my cousin's place, and I know why. 'Cause I got high. 'Cause I got high.
'Cause I got high. 'Cause I got high.
I was gonna love you right, sugar, but then I got high. Oh, my darling, I was gonna hold you close and whisper sweet things all night, but then I got high. Now you gone and left me crying, and I know why. 'Cause I got high. 'Cause I got high.
'Cause I got high. 'Cause I got high.
I messed up my whole life, baby, 'cause I got high.
Lord have mercy.
Lost my job, my home, my woman, 'cause I got high.
Shabba. Shabba.
Now I'm standing on the corner singing the blues, and I know why. 'Cause I got high. 'Cause I got high.
'Cause I got high. Slow saints.
I'm gonna stop this song right now, 'cause I'm high.
Sweet Jesus.
Singing these words all wrong, 'cause I'm high. And if this record don't sell a single copy, well, I know why. 'Cause I'm high.
'Cause I'm high.
'Cause I'm